Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go to a thrift store. We're going to take a look around, and I am on the hunt for some items that are going to look good in my laundry room refresh. I'm just kind of storming right now, trying to figure out what it is that I want to do in that room. It's kind of moody right now and I'm tired of that, and I just want to kind of lighten it up and add some more florals. There aren't any florals in there right now, but just trying to maybe switch it up. So what I picked up at the thrift store today is going to go in my laundry room. However, I'm not going to be decorating that today because I'm still kind of brainstorming and just shopping for the items. So without further ado, I hope you'll stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, here we are starting out. I thought this item was very unique, and it has this stone facade on it. It's probably something that would go maybe in an office or your kitchen, and it looked like it had little hooks down there for keys. I would put this outside and put little plants in it, or find different ways to decorate it, but I think that would look really good on a patio. I think these pink glasses were $1.50. I can't read what that says, but I believe that was the price. I thought this was a unique item as well. One thing I do like about this thrift store is they put all of the colors together, so it's really easy. If you want to get something blue, they have all the blue together. If you want something pink, all the pink is together. I really like all these ornate items. I like to call them grandma items because they're items my grandma would have had. And they just bring me such joy to look at these items and think of what type of grandma might have had these. It's just so fun to go to the thrift store because everything just is so nostalgic to me. Like I said in the video, I'm looking for items to revamp my laundry room, and I don't think this vintage china is an item that's going to go in my laundry room, but I don't know if you guys have noticed, I'm always very drawn to the china. I always seem to put it in my videos. I was thinking that I would start collecting baskets. And in my laundry room, I have these two large wooden shelves above my washer and dryer. And I am contemplating whether or not I want to place a bunch of collected baskets up there. I could add my pretty hydrangeas when they're dry. I'm not quite sure what else I'm going to add up there. Like I said in the beginning, I am looking to do kind of like very floral, very girly in that area. So I'm going to try to see if I can find some decent baskets. I thought these lamps would be a great dupe for that Pottery Barn vessel looking lamp. You could get that textured spray paint and paint those in a grayish, maybe a charcoal color, and get a new lampshade for that. And I think people would think that they were very high end in your home. And if you are in the market for some fabric, they have these bolts of, looks like mostly upholstery fabric. I'm actually looking for some fabric to do some things around my home. I am not really a sewer. I come from a long line of seamstresses. Unfortunately, I did not learn, but I am going to attempt to make a couple things. And here is a sneak peek of the items that are coming home with me. Give yourself a thumbs up if you guessed any of these items. Okay, now let's do our little show and tell. These are the items that came home with me. This item right here with the blue top, I actually picked this up from Michael's in their clearance line. It was somewhere, gosh, I want to say around $3.50 that I got this for. I thought it was so pretty. I didn't really think it screamed Easter, so that came with me. That's going to go into my laundry room. These candles were $1, and I was really happy to find those. I love it when I can find candles in the thrift store. It's very hard to find them, but when you do, scoop them up. These pictures here, I'm not sure if they were handmade. There's nothing on the bottom that says that they were, but they kind of look handmade to me. Or maybe they were just, that front part was painted on there. I'm not sure. I bought them with the intention of turning them this way so you cannot see that heart. The heart looks kind of Christmassy to me, but then maybe it could be Valentine's Day since it's a heart. But we're just going to go ahead and turn it this way so that you cannot see the heart. I was thinking of putting these inside my hutch in my kitchen. Since I always seem to come home with baskets from the thrift store, I figured I might as well start collecting them. I'm going to add them to my top shelf in my laundry room, and I think it's going to look really good up there with the collected look. I'm going to put, like I mentioned, some dried hydrangeas. Hopefully they will be blue hydrangeas, and I'm just going to put them in all of the baskets. I'm going to start collecting teacups, and I'm going to be putting them inside my glass canisters that are going to house a bunch of my laundry products. And with keeping with the floral theme, I thought that this picture would be perfect. And then I picked up this blue and white goose. Now, This was an impulse buy. It was $8.50. I couldn't believe that I was paying $8.50 for this. I was definitely influenced by one of my really great friends here on YouTube, and it would look fantastic in her home, but I'm just thinking it's probably not my style. I don't know. Comment down below, yay or nay to this blue and white goose. Well, friends, I'm going to close out the video here. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it brought you some inspiration. If you're planning on redoing a room in your home, please come back. I post videos on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 7 p.m. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye.